my name is Tia McCurdy, and I'm the artist for the 2024 Canadian Championship AeroPress poster. I went to school for costume design, but I've always been drawing and painting since I was like a young kid. I didn't take it in high school as much as other people have, and I didn't go to like university for art, but it's been really fun. I mainly sew, which is also an artistry, some can say. So yeah, it's been a different deviation to the traditional artist, I think. Did a fashion show, like a one-off fashion show for Vogue Clicquot. It's like a champagne company. I did that when I was in college, and then I've worked on some like bigger movies like The Revenant, which is kind of crazy. Yeah, I have one for a Liam Neeson movie, but they spelled my name wrong. So in the credits, it's Tina McCurdy, not Tia McCurdy, which is kind of fun to see, but I don't know. I wish they spelled my name right. This is like my first official big boy like commission, and it was really fun. It was really great to work with 8 ounce. I have done like little things for friends, but nothing to this extent. So it was exciting because I think it was either Bjorn or Jake who had reached out first. And then I had all these ideas like, oh my gosh, I want to do this with the poster, that with the poster. And so I was like already madly sketching things out, even though I hadn't confirmed anything with them yet. Leading up to it, I was like looking through you guys' social medias, and there's like really great illustrations. So there was this moment of like, oh, I need to like bring my all and like really make something that stands out. And so with the help of Bjorn and myself, we figured out something that was really cool. I had made a couple that were like very Canadian centric with like the imagery. So I had a guy riding the AeroPress as like a bull rider, and there was another one who used him as like a snowboard. And so there was something there that I wanted to play with. And once we had established that we wanted more landmarks, I still wanted to find ones that were fun and familiar to people. I really wanted to find different landmarks from almost every province or territory. It was kind of tough to put them all in there, but I really wanted something where anyone across Canada could notice, oh, I recognize that. It was really cool to go through like tourist spots and landmarks that I might have remembered when I was like in kindergarten. I like the dinosaur from Drumheller. That one was really fun. And then there was this geological like rock formation out, I think it might have been New Brunswick, but it was called the Teapot, and it was shaped like a little teapot. I couldn't fit it in, but that one was really interesting just to like work on the layers of like all the rock and the stratigraphy. I still wanted to find ones that were fun and familiar to people. So I tried to like go back in my own memory bank and remember some landmarks that stood out to me as a kid. And there are a couple in there that did stand out to me, which was really fun. It's more about me being a kid, I guess. I don't know. Just scrap that. I think depending on the day and the time, I am definitely a coffee drinker. I really like dirty chais. I try to have them every shop I go to see which one is the best. I also like iced drinks, so like iced lattes, iced Earl Greys, any black teas with caffeine are also great. But yeah, this week. Thanks everyone for watching this video and going on this journey with me. I hope to see you guys on August 3rd here at the 8 ounce offices for the National Championship for AeroPress. Can't wait to see you there. And now you can follow me. Bye.